Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to self-host, teleport and create a user. So first of all, to do that we will create one instance. We launch one instance. So let me create an instance name is teleport. So we will select everything as default. The keep here I'll select as my already created one for the delivery person. You can create new if you don't have, if you have not created or you don't want to use that is existing, then you can always create new one. And here I'll allow both HTTPS and HTTP, and for this one I will add 10 gigs. That's fine. So let me launch the instance. I'll leave everything as default, and after that make sure you to configure the DNS. So go to your wherever you have your domain, go to there, and let's say in my case it's a Namecheap. In Namecheap you can go to your domain. In my case it's eagledigitals.com, and you can click the advanced DNS, and there just create a subdomain, whatever the name you want to put it that you want to access a teleport. So let's say for example in my case I put just teleport. Okay, so just put the teleport, and for the IP address go to here and check whatever the IP address you have here, copy that IP address and paste that IP address in your DNS configurations and just save this one. Then you can just go to this instance and click connect so that you can access this one. And let us go to the teleport documentation. So let me go doc teleport. Okay, so let me go here, and in this part the first step we have already done, the configuring of DNS. So we'll go to the step 2, that is to install the teleport into our instance. So let me go to the instance, let me be a root user here. So and then after I just paste the command. Just let's wait for a while. After that you just scroll down, you can see the next command here. So you can copy that particular command and make sure here to change your email. So your email will be your personal email. You can put your personal email. So for example, let's say for example for me would be this one. Okay, and then the next one will be your cluster name, means your subdomain that you have created to access teleport. That is, for in our case it is teleport.eagledigitals.com. Go there and let me copy this one after changing all the details here. So go back to your instance and paste the command. That's all you need to do it. So you can see happy teleporting. So everything is already done here. So let me scroll down now. Let me enable the teleport and start teleport. So let me copy that and then paste it here. Looks like it's all working now. So if I scroll down after this all these steps, then I need to say this sign in teleport page. So let me check. So teleport.eagledigitals.com. then if we go there, so we shall see that particular page. Yes, it's working at the moment. That's fine. So let me scroll down and let's create a user to access this teleport. Let me copy this one. Let me paste it here. Here if you want to change the username you can change it. Here is teleport-admin. So if you want to change, you can just put admin or whatever you want to put the user. So I'll just copy as a teleport admin and I'll just paste it here. That's fine. So let me enter. So after you do that one, you can see here you have a link to set up your credentials. So let me copy that, go to that particular page. So let me click get start and let me click to the teleport admin. Let me paste that one here. Good. So if I go back here, okay, all good. So if I go to the cluster, go to the cluster, then I can log in here. So now in here you can see there is a weird name here. You might be thinking, what is this, right? So the node name that is showing here is your private DNS. So if you go to your instance, and if you scroll down and check your private IP DNS name, then you can see that exactly the same name. So how to change that one? So you can do is you can just change that name, change something inside this teleport.yaml file. So you can see here is the node name. You don't have to do a lot of things, just you need to change a node name. So let me put just a teleport here, and after you save this one, so make sure you reload teleport. Once everything is done, then you can just refresh this page. So if you refresh this page, you can see now the name is changed to the teleport. So which is really cool, right? So and quite easy. So you can see here the teleport is good now. So now if you connect this one, then now you can see it's written here as a root at teleport. So it will be more easier, not like this weird name. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to add anytime as much as user, then you can go to this access management, go to this user, and then you can create as much as user you want. So you don't have to always go to the terminal and do that one. Once you have this setup already and you have this GUI with you, then you can do with the GUI. So in future, if you want to add any services like EC2 or RDS or anything, then you can do it from here. We will be learning this how to add EC2 instance and RDS in our next lecture. So be tuned and make sure you subscribe, and so that you will be get notifications whenever I upload this one, a new content for you. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you like this tutorial. If you have anything to ask, then you can comment it down. And if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to click subscribe and like button. Thank you so much.